Source: Mission Ready Services Inc. Vancouver, British Columbia, April 18, 2018. Globe NEWSWIRE. Mission Ready Services Inc. Mission Ready, or the company, TSX-V, Mrs., is pleased to announce that it has engaged Bristol Capital Ltd. Bristol, a premier North American investor relations and capital markets advisory firm. Bristol has been retained for an initial term of 1 year, subject to early termination under certain circumstances, whereby, beginning May 1, 2018, Bristol will provide investor relations (IR) services to Mission Ready, including the development of new and improved investor materials, introductions to Bristol's direct network of investment professionals, coordination of public events, and a proactive IR campaign to increase Mission Ready's exposure in the investment community. In consideration of the services to be provided by Bristol, the company will pay to Bristol a monthly retainer of CAD $7,000 following an initial 2-month term of CAD $10,000 per month as Mission Ready and Bristol collaborate and implement processes to ensure a seamless and effective integration. Additionally, subject to regulatory approvals, the company will issue to Bristol stock options, pursuant to the company's stock option plan, to purchase up to 400,000 shares in the capital of the company, at a price of 25 cents, to vest a rate of 100,000 per calendar quarter, for a period of up to 3 years from the date of issue. The company and Bristol act at arm's length, and Bristol has no present interest, directly or indirectly, in the company or its securities. The fee paid by the company to Bristol is for services only. Beginning May 1, 2018, Bristol IR can be reached by calling Mission Ready toll-free at 1-877-479.7778, extension 500. Additional information on Bristol can be viewed on their website at http://www.bristolier.com/Jeffrey Schwartz, President. Leveraging the strength of the combined Mrs. Bristol teams will allow us to exponentially increase our market exposure and ensure transparency and effective communications as we continue to grow. Additionally, Mission Ready is pleased to announce the production of a 4-minute professional video that was filmed at the company's manufacturing facility in Jacksboro, Tennessee, and will be featured on an upcoming primetime television segment showcasing select companies from the 2018 TSX Venture 50. A special 30-minute feature. The feature will showcase 5 2018 TSX Venture 50 companies, including Mission Ready, and will include valuable commentary from a top industry analyst. Mission Ready will receive 60 days of additional media coverage to include exposure on the Seatback TV business channel of an international airline. Mission Ready will own marketing rights to the video production and will make it available on the company's website. The video is scheduled to air on Saturday, April 28, 2018 at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Sunday, April 29, 2018 at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Additional details on the feature will be made available through a third-party announcement prior to the scheduled broadcast date. About Bristol Capital Ltd. Bristol Capital was founded in 2001 and has established itself as a leading Canadian investor relations and capital markets advisory firm servicing various companies in the technology, renewables, energy, healthcare, aerospace, industrial and consumer industries. We focus on micro and small cap companies in Canada and the United States with market capitalizations of $30 to $300 million. Bristol Capital has developed strategically valuable relationships with the key players in the investment community across the United States, Canada, and Europe. Our network is well matched to our clients' industry size, segment and stage of development, which means a more targeted approach and creative productive interactions with potentially viable investors. About Mission Ready Services Inc. Mission Ready serves to save lives and enhance the performance of military personnel, first responders, and those who protect us by working to ensure they are equipped with the best possible personal protective equipment. Headquartered in Vancouver, BC, Mission Ready has 3 distinct, synergistic operating divisions: innovations and development of personal protective equipment, manufacturing of leading military 100 years of combined industry experience, and is composed of industry experts in developing products, contracting, and selling to the federal government, first responders and tactical markets through open market procurements, teaming arrangements, and a variety of federal contract tools. For further information, visit mrscorp.com. Terry Nixon, Director, Corporate Communications, telephone, 1.87-7.479.7778. Mission Ready Services Inc., signed Jeffrey L. Schwartz. Generally, forward-looking information can be identified by the use of forward-looking terminology such as anticipate, believe, plan, expect, intend, estimate, forecast, project, budget, schedule, may, will, could, might, should, or variations of such words or similar words or expressions. Forward-looking information is based on reasonable assumptions that have been made by Mission Ready Services Inc. as at the date of such information, and is subject to known and unknown risks, uncertainties and other factors that may cause the actual results, level of activity, performance or achievements of Mission Ready Services Inc. to be materially different from those expressed or implied by such forward-looking information. Forward-looking statements are based on assumptions management believes to be reasonable. Although Mission Ready Services Inc. has attempted to identify important factors that could cause actual results to differ materially from those contained in forward-looking information, there may be other factors that cause results not to be as anticipated, estimated or intended. There can be no assurance that such information will prove to be accurate, as actual results and future events could differ materially from those anticipated in such information. Accordingly, readers should not place undue reliance on forward-looking information. Mission Ready Services Inc. does not undertake to update any forward-looking information that is included herein, except in accordance with applicable securities laws. Neither TSX Venture Exchange nor its regulation services provider, as that term is defined in the policies of the TSX Venture Exchange, accepts responsibility for the adequacy or accuracy of this release.